Welcome to Mahila Samaja online class. 10th standard second language English prose. The topic is There's a Girl by the Tracks. The author of the lesson is Devan Kannal. About the author, it is only given little in short. Devan Kannal is a writer in English. He writes about short stories in English for journals and magazines. He is an Indian, Devan Kannal. That's all about the author. Coming to the lesson, there's a girl by the tracks. So, before going to the paragraph, let me tell about the lesson. It is a narration of an incident which took place in Mumbai some days back. A girl fell off from a suburban train onto the tracks, and a young man who saw this incident saved her by rushing her to the hospital without caring for his own life. Nowadays, see how it is very busy. The life is very busy. Nobody cares for nobody. So, let me move to the lesson. The first para I'll read and explain, children. There's a girl by the tracks. The author is Devan Kannal. As the Mumbai suburban electric train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolises. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talejra tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenuous foothold and panicked. The first paragraph is like this. As the Mumbai suburban electric train, in Mumbai, the electric train, it left just 22nd. The time was 6:32. It was halt at a station. Suburban means it is a place outside the city. Then it is for 20 seconds it stops there. 6:32 exactly it leaves the station. Commuters swarmed. Commuter means one who travels to workplace daily, every day, up and down. That is called as a commuter. This comes for 1 mark. They usually ask what is the meaning of commuter. So 1 mark answer. One who travels to workplace daily. So commuters swarmed out. They are very busy. People are very busy moving up and down morning, afternoon, evening. Out into just 12 packed coaches. So in the train compartments there are 12 compartments, coaches, and everything is packed, cleanly packed. It is very rush. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolises. So this is a city. Metropolises means, so it is a place where a busy city, a large busy city, especially the main city of the state, which is Mumbai. So there it is, population also is more. The people are moving up and down, very busy. Having just managed to squeeze herself in a ladies' compartment. So in this 12 compartments, one compartment will be ladies' compartment. Ladies' compartment. Then in that compartment, a girl, 21-year-old girl, she is working in a call center as an executive in call center. Her name is Roma Talejra. She tried to settle into a corner near the door. She enters into that compartment, ladies' compartment, and she wanted to settle. She wanted to stand somewhere if she gets a little space in the corner of the train, in the door, in that compartment. The train hurtled ahead and the train moved, and what happened to Roma? She entered inside. She is just in the footsteps of the compartment, jammed between other women. It is very rush, I told you. It is very, very rush. And was trying to find some space. She was trying to find some space. And what happened? Suddenly it got rushed and she lost her tenuous. She lost her tenuous means she is very weak and shaky. She is very lean, very weak. She could not have any support or strength, foothold, and panicked. And what happened? Suddenly she feel frightened. What is going to happen? She knew, and she fell from the train, moving train. The second para I'll read. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of a fall onto the ground more than a meter below. She was knocked senseless. So what happened? In the second para we'll see. So she fell from a moving train. Her hands reached the steel railing above. She wanted to catch the support of the train, but finding only air, but she couldn't catch that, and she fell from the train. Roma was thrown out of the coach. In the air she came flying and she fell to the ground. The clattering, what happened? The clattering means making a loud sound. She fell. Muffled the thud of her fall, muffled, silence, the compartment came to silence. There were so many people talking, chit-chatting, this, shouting. But when they came to this sound, they all kept silence. Thud of her fall onto the ground more than a meter below. From the compartment to the ground floor, it is nearly 1 meter below. She fell down. She was knocked senseless. Senseless means don't know what happened. She felt unconscious. Third para. Standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction, 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra couldn't believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black salwar kameez lying next to the tracks. Meanwhile, gasps and screams emanated from his compartment. There's a girl by the tracks, the voices cried out. So next what happens? Standing near the door of another train, the train which Roma was moving and she fell down. Opposite there was another train, opposite direction. Then in that train, in one of the compartment, another boy, he's 20-year-old and his name is Baleshwar. Mishra. He saw this girl suddenly falling from the train. Then he just saw a young woman in a black salwar kameez, the dress, black salwar kameez, lying on the tracks. Meanwhile, what happened? He is seeing, and the shouts from the compartment. Gasps means a deep breath taken when surprised, shock, and then screams. Emanated means all are shouting, coming out from the compartment. There's a girl by the tracks. The voice cried out. The people are shouting. Fourth para. Impulsively, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. The train screeched, slowing down. He then surveyed the compartment full of weary faces. "Let's go and help her," he shouted, but nobody volunteered, afraid of getting involved, of being inconvenienced perhaps. So here what happens? Impulsively, I told you, So impulsively, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. So Baleshwar, he jumped from the opposite train and he jumped into that Roma, which Roma was traveling in that train, and he grabbed the train's chain, red emergency train, to pull it frantically to stop the train. He jumped to the opposite train and he stopped the train. The train screeched, slowing down. The train stops slowly. He then survived the compartment full of weary faces. Let's go and help her, he shouted. But nobody volunteered, afraid of getting involved, of being inconvenienced perhaps. Then he shouts, come and help, anybody come voluntarily, but nobody comes and helps him. Afraid, everybody are afraid of him involving into this matter, because the police will come and ask the timing, what happened, who is she, everything they'll ask. So what happened, nobody is coming forward to help Baleshwar. He sees everybody's faces worried. The fifth para, children. His heart hammering his chest, Baleshwar shoved himself to the door and jumped off an still moving train. As he landed on the ground, a burst of pain shot up in his ankle, but there was no real damage. He got up to find out of his old rubber slipper, sole torn off as a result of his fall. But Baleshwar started to sprint back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again and disappeared. So here what happened, his heart is hampering his chest. He couldn't, don't know what is happening. His heart is beating fast. He don't know what to do. She's fallen down. Baleshwar shoved himself to the door. He went to the door, and from that he jumped off a still moving train. He jumped from the train and he landed to the ground where the girl is falling. A burst of pain shot in his ankle. Suddenly he slipped up. His ankle, his leg, what happened? Twisted. His ankle twisted. And what happened? But there was no real damage. Nothing more happened. Just it was a twist in his leg. He got up and find a part to his old rubber slipper sole torn. So his slipper also cut and he couldn't walk in that rubber slipper. As a result, he fell. But Baleshwar started to sprint back. But Baleshwar started to sprint, means he started to run. He never bothers about the slipper. He leaves the slipper. He sprint back, means he runs fast between the tracks of the train and picked up his speed again and he disappeared. The sixth para. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma, he couldn't see her. I hope I'm not too late, he thought, gasping for breath. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Behen ji, aap theek hai? He asked. Sister, are you okay? But there was no response and no help in sight. They were alone somewhere between two stations 5 kilometers apart in Thane district, which borders Mumbai. So in 6th para, Baleshwar was so far away from Roma. Is very far from Roma, means the distance. He couldn't see her. He couldn't see where is she, because he's running. She's really 2 meters or something far. 5 kilometers, not 2, 5 kilometers. I hope I'm not too late. So he is feeling so much that I'm very late or what to help her. Am I late? He asks himself. He thought, gasping for breath. Oh, sure, what I've did. I'm very late. I should move fast. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled, means lie stretched. Then he finds her after some minutes, several minutes, about 10 to 15 minutes. He finds her lying on the tracks. Then he asks, Bahan ji, aap theek hai? Means he asks, sister, are you okay? But there was no response. She is fallen unconscious. Who? Roma. She couldn't answer. And no help in sight. And he couldn't do anything because she is a girl. They were alone somewhere. Both were alone between two stations. Opposite train was moving and a heard Roma train. One train was, who was that? Baleshwar, and another train was Roma. So 5 kilometers apart in Thane district. They both are in one district and the name is Thane, which borders Mumbai. It is in the border of Mumbai. The 7th para. Baleshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash behind the young woman's head. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted the 5 foot to 50 kilo Roma gingerly and made his way across the tracks, looking out for trains and searching for a way out. For trains and searching for a way out. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road my sister injured. He implored motorists who drove by, please help me take her to hospital, but no one stopped. Here what happens? In 7th para, Baleshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash, a deep cut in the head. The blood is flowing. Baleshwar sees from this woman's head, means Roma's head. Saying a silent prayer, he is praying, oh God, what has happened? What is going on? He lifted the 5 foot to, he lifted her 50 kilo, she is really nearly 50 kilo, 50 kgs. Roma gingerly made his way across the tracks. She is unconscious, fell. He carried her and he came to the tracks. He came out of, looking out for trains. He is searching whether any other trains are coming. He came out of the track. He jumped the other opposite tracks and searching for the way. He don't know which way to go, the right side or the left side. He don't know the direction, which way the road goes. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed shrubbery. He followed some, what is that? You can tell here some bushes. Shrubbery means some bushes. He crossed all that and followed the direction of the sound until he found the road. He found the road, main road. My sister is injured. He shouts. He stands on the road and he shouts, my sister is injured. She is hurt. He implored. He shouted. Request. Implore means request. All the motorbike who drove by, those who are moving that side, please help me. Take her to a hospital, but no one stopped. The next para, 8th para. That morning on December 10, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talerja arrived at a call center bright and early. The BCom graduate from Pune had been working there for 2 years, loving her job, talking and connecting to customers and making few friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joked, laughed and made plans for the weekend. Then, heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother, and a long phone chat with her fiancé, Vijay. So here in 8th paragraph, that morning was December 10, 2010, a Friday. It was a Friday. Roma arrived at the call center bright and early. That day she arrived early. She was a BCom graduate from Pune. She had been working there for 2 years. She is traveling up and down in the train. Loving her job, she likes the work. Talking and connecting. Call center means it is like talking and connecting to the customers and making new friends there. After work in the evening, she went to the cafeteria, means restaurant, to have coffee, where she and her friends joked, laughed and made some plans for the weekend. So they get together in that cafeteria. Then heading home alone after her shift, she came alone to the home. Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother. When she arrives home only, the parents and brother will have the dinner, the supper, and a long phone. After that, she was talking with her fiancé. She is engaged and his fiancé name is Vijay. Coming to the 9th para, Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story about Baleshwar now. Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story. The lanky youngster from Mirzapur, UP it is an unemployed high school dropout. He is an high school dropout, maybe 9th or 10th he is dropout, who recently came to Mumbai, living with his two older brothers. His job hunt, he is searching for the job, had proved fruitless. He is not satisfied with his job. He is searching for a job. Now he is trending water. Presently, it is trending water means he making no progress and had resigned himself to fact that he was running out of options. So he is searching for some job. He had spent his day with a friend. So today when he met this Roma girl, he is along with his friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. Just he comes with his friend, has lunch and moves with his friend and sees a movie and goes. As Baleshwar boarded the train, so when he came and boarded the train, when he came to the station, he pondered over his future. So he searches along with his friend, he searches for the job also. But all he could think of was saving a stranger's life. More than everything, he is having some humanity. That is very important. He sees the stranger's life, how they are working hard, what happens to them. He helps them, anything help he needs, he wants to do for the stranger, he does that. So here I'll stop the lesson, children. Next class I'll continue. Thank you.